replacement cover for the original elevated pet bed. Contemporary, portable styling in 3 sizes and soothing shades to coordinate with any decor, indoors or out. Breathable nylon canvas enables breezes to pass through and around to cool your pet. Easy to wash, simply hose off with water. 5-year warranty against UV degradation. Spouse won't let your beloved shed monster on the couch or bed? Has your fancy flooring rubbed hot spots onto your little buddy's joints? Mom covering everything in plastic and doilies? Erase Rocky's sad doggy face as he stares at you atop your stately throne and elevate your family fuzzball to royalty status. Coolaroo pet bed replacement covers were made with Rocky in mind. Turn Rocky's frown upside down and order his premier pet bed today. Only a Coolaroo pet bed features our unique commercial-grade, knitted fabric specifically designed to breathe, resulting in a cooler place for your pets to chill. Beyond a reduction in temperatures, our fabric is made of recyclable material and endorsed by GreenGuard, the Melanoma International Foundation and Ducotex. Ours is the story of a hard-working Australian family that turned a small hand-woven scarf business into one of the world's most important manufacturers and marketers of advanced polymer textiles and value-added products. The transformation of a small knitting mill into a multi-million-dollar global enterprise with the introduction of the world's first shadecloth knitting technology, the need-based ingenuity of people adapting to extreme temperature fluctuations. Future fabric developments seek to reduce environmental footprints even further while continuing to provide homeowners with the value and quality they have come to expect and deserve. Top reviews from the United States. Love the durability. I ordered a replacement at the same time I ordered the bed because our puppy was a chewer and very good at destruction. I haven't had to use this replacement since the original is still in excellent condition. Very happy.